Watch your truck, man, yeah. Oh, man. Yo. Man, I'm not sitting there. Yo, as a trailer, man. That's not on the drive.
What's up, beautiful people? It's yours truly, 876 by birth, and welcome to another drive into Jamaica.
You want to jackfruit for me? Want to answer? Bless up, my fam. How much for your jackfruit?
5 is about.
Make a jackfruit for the year.
I buy deer.
You buy deer?
Yeah, deer.
Who? Someone else last
No, no, I feel them place white man place white.
Who for place you buy it?
White man. I'm on the Tolo.
Oh, it might be a jackfruit tree.
Being variety this.
Jackfruit?
Yeah, we don't have the variety.
Oh, so what a variety you have?
You know, so you see me not really know though, but eat like a more fruit, yeah.
Oh, that's the other one.
Not the other one. The other one like a one. The other few one.
Yeah.
No, I'm not soft, you know. We want soft, yes, but you have a more syrup.
Oh.
This a farm, I like a juice farm.
Oh.
Yeah.
Mm. Yeah.
You're right, that's all.
Okay. Alright, respect me.
Yeah, man,
Respect me, fam. Yeah, bless. Money, my deep cleanliness, you know. What's up, beautiful people? So here is truly 876 by birth, as you just heard in the intro, alright? And as you can see, we stop and we get some jackfruit, you see me? Yeah, man, we're currently there in the
100 meters. At the roundabout, take the second exit.
Alright, so currently there in the Mandeville area, Manchester Mandeville area, you see me? Yeah, man, and where I'm here right now, we are head to Santa Cruz. Hazard in the road. This is the hazard, okay.
At the roundabout, take the second exit on A2 Greenvale Road.
Alright, yeah, my people. Boy, this jackfruit nice. What? Five busy man say, give me that axe man why jackfruit so dear. Man say, can buy dear. Second exit, them say? Man say, buy the jackfruit here, but it's nice. When I ripe one name. Nice. Nice, people.
Straight for 35 minutes to Sydney Pagan Drive.
Alright, people, so right now I'm going to go back to Santa Cruz, you see me? Yeah. That's the thing there, you see me? Yeah. Heading to Santa. I know that in Santa Cruz now, St. Elizabeth, yeah. I know we have Spur Tree Hill, we are going down Spur Tree Hill. I know Spur Tree Hill. Alright, yeah. Car man, them go. Man, the job in pants though, man.
As you look man stop there with them when I'm doing so, stop.
But that be, you know, if you drop on the pants and stop wearing the pants there, so. You know the true meaning, right? So I want to know what it means, I want to still do it. I have question, you know. Jackfruit nice people. What am I gonna do? People jackfruit really, really nice. Not telling you that. Yeah, no, the truck there, okay. Yeah, man, so I just want to shout out to all of the new people in there and I don't know, bless up in yourself, you know. Manners and respect, you see me? As I said earlier, my name is 876 by birth. I would just drive around the place and chat off a mouth, and I don't know the thing, you see me? Yeah. All of the regular viewers, them, big up for yourself, man, and I don't know too. You see me? Blessings, manners and respect every time, alright? Yeah. I get a little traffic, but you know, say normally traffic, they right as still. Even though that truck there, but normally you have to always have, always have little traffic. I don't know why. Eh? The truck?
Yeah.
Is that turn right?
Yeah.
Oh. I think there's a little traffic in front, right?
And I said, we move now.
Oh.
Watch them on our ramp and him push along.
I feel look out for the kids in school done, me not alive. I feel look out for them. Like how the foot is standing there goes you know, you're so cool. Yeah. Shucks. Wait a minute, go out some. What body now, man? Me with my one shock self now make it better, you know. Rain barely a joke.
You want to special help?
No man, rain did that. Say people will take good time and make away in it, you see me? Yeah man, we're there. So don't feel no way to get quiet for our in it, you see me? Me and Kimmy there too. Time to time in my theory, I hold a little conversation and thing, you see? Yeah. Chuck your mouth. Like some farm or whatever. And then I'm cool. Yeah, see, or maybe that's something different. Antelope? That is it? Yeah, that's the one that kick off while ago. Make a little small stop there, people. 1 second. Alright, people, so back on the streets. Just make a quick little gas station stop, is it? Yeah, man, so they are back on the streets. So we cross over to the parish of St. Elizabeth, you know. Yeah. Basically, approach Spur Tree Hillside, is it? Yeah. Right, see sign here? You are entering Spur Tree. Okay. Yeah. So all who come from them side here, over there I see some big house. If you know which community that. So all who come from them side here, you see me? Let me know what go on, you see me? If I phone the ground this I used to chat them ground and let me know them, man. You see me? Talk to me them, man. Talk to me and let me know what go on, you see me? Yeah. You know Spur Tree, you know the place where the whole heap of truck them traverse. Yeah, man. Well, luckily for us, we basically go down still, you see me? Yeah, we go like downhill side, you see? You have a brother upon the switch out upon the hill that sells posting soup, you know? But I think he must have put peanut in them, you remember? They have cow skin and something, you know? Real leather milk. You want to try? You know that hot though? But you know that hot. I did try it, I try it one time. I mean, that expect one rich thick something. I mean, it good enough, people. Don't get me wrong, you know, but nah, say the man nah do him thing. He man do him thing, you know, but to the all the people have create excitement about it. And I say, yeah man, rare soup man pants per tree. You have to get soup when you go. And them little thing there and I say, yo, people, me not gonna lie. Munchie a crab circle soup, but I can't matter. But Munchie a crab circle, a US circle that's up. VR soup, rougher than female. A chicken foot you sell. Chicken foot and cow skin, I think. Yeah. VR soup rougher than female, people. Rougher than female by far, you see me? Yeah. But big up to the soup man same way still, is it? Because one of them customer, them a whole heap of people stop there, yeah? Yeah. Big up Soapy, big up yourself. I feel the ears in my pop. What? Cool shit bar. Jerk center.
Neville's cargo giants.
Cargo themselves up. It's a big unit, yeah. Yeah man, whole heap of traffic they back out, you know. So if ever go when they chop them a shampoo in the people, whole heap of traffic it carry up the hill, you see me? Yeah. So them have to just stay in line and just go and take them time go. Bar by us too. This is an infamous corner, you know. Like a whiny corner, more time you see over it shut eye. I'll go and do that, so. Broke my boy, bro. Oh, stop him.
No man,
Oh, yeah. Don't get so, boy. Infamous corner, these people. Chuck them, it's dangerous for chucks people. Yeah man, dangerous for chuck them, you know? Spiritual Hill. You know that Spiritual or Mount Rasa? Which one of them more? You know? A little man here overeat, so probably, yeah, could all overeat. Yeah man, Spiritual are not a place people. The incline on the hill, wicked. Oh, soup shall sell the same, you know. Leather belt, good a leather belt that, you know. Oh, but yo, when in their country, in a different settings, you know, my people. Yeah, man, if you go food, stop your sip on the road, you want, take it down, you say, yo. See me? But as I said, that you are known for the cow skin or leather belt. You see me? Yeah, man. You drink them there, them the thick, you know, man. Yeah. I think Cruz says you have a wind farm. How the wind farm then? You have a wind farm somewhere else. I want to do this a backside place. Long time I not shampoo them side there anymore, people. So this for me, you see me? The scenery and everything is something there for me too, you know, you see it? Yeah man, it's a little joy for me too, you know, I'm excited too, I'm not lie too, you know. Man, where you come from out the bush, mine, you know? I don't say man, the soup man. I was supposed to eat this. I don't remember. Also, I never had no place to build up, so. Unless I him probably build up him thing. Probably I him, you know. I think I could have him. I did so. I'm supposed to do so. Supposed to do something now like here. other one? Related to them other one? Okay, okay, okay. Move him come that side there, upside. So you got sometimes you have to move up, you know? In life. Yeah, my people, some of us want to say, yo, big up to all of who there and watch as me say, you know. You know? Do remember to click like on the video, you know? Yeah, man, help boost the channel, man. Please and thanks. You understand? Yeah. Help boost the channel. Joan, big up yourself, you know. Vivian, big up yourself. You know? Jacqueline, big up on yourself, you know the thing, go. Rika, as usual. Colin out of the UK. Tristan. Whole works, man. Big up on yourself, man. You see me? Whole heap of fruits. Watch out, cantaloupe. Yo. Let's send to this, let me say a bread basket parish. Whole heap of food and fruits. Yeah. What? Joseph Body. Alright, so Santa is straight ahead. Alright. Yeah, man, all of the people must say they want a long video and they want a country video. Tired to see in city. Every day I post on the thumbnail or on the title I say Spanish Town, Portmore, Woolharbour, Kingston. You don't know say that me a come. No. Well, today is a different thing. Way down in our west with it. Yeah. Watch your truck, man, yeah. Oh, man. Yo. Man, I'm not sitting there, yo, as a trailer, man. That's not on the drive. Yo! I don't want to see that at night, you know, man. That must be crazy. You don't want to see that in the night. You know, say all them road are better than the road in the town, though. What? The girl, yeah. Good for grass. Good girl. Just can't cross, you know. Oh, check out, though. He come the last time I saw me, I don't know how this stuff. Well, probably not right, you maybe looking further now. You wanna stop? Yeah. Why is bad true? Somewhere I have to say yeah. Somewhere I have to say this stuff. You wanna stop in real life? People, I make a little quick bathroom stop. We don't know country drive go already. Yeah.
Why?
Yeah, me have to tell everybody. Something job. Oh, you can smell the clutch. You smell it?
If they have the access for your
At the clutch, at the chuck them, the clutch them. Eh? Chuck man a blow you. Yeah man, you can smell the clutch from the vehicle them, yo. I want to see 2 Apple man and 2 Ray, you know? No man, the clutch from the thing there. And the clutch from the trailer them are such. Yeah, soon pop, push. Hopefully that hurt you. Hopefully that pain you. Alright my people, we're going to continue upon the journey, you know. Ready? You left yourself out there?
No.
Oh, alright. Yes. Buckle up. Alright. Yeah, my people, so the journey continues. Yeah. Them road there, road them a town, no sus, no stay, so. I must be pan the Portmore toll road. Be a hole in the town road them. How are MP for down here, sir? How are MP for down here, sir? I mean, people can probably say, oh, true, maybe this is the major highway and railway. We have a big I-95 full of road. We have big Spanish Town road. Where much vehicle drive pan daily, we're full of gully and trenches. This have one and few hole them in there still, you know, but who are MP for down here, so? Are you more to come vote for? That's a good road there. You see me? Yeah. You more to vote for. Got the Senti people them too, you know. Yeah man. Bread basket. Senti woman. Senti this is where they come from. Them look. Say one bag of thing, say like Senti this where woman ever said them are the best cause this are one bag of thing. Yeah, Senti this where they come from. So make you love after I get up from Senti. Big up the Senti woman them. Yeah.
I sell down here.
Land down here sell?
Yeah.
So we have to go buy land, man.
There's a friendship boats.
Yeah.
Friendship boats.
Land, only for land only?
Then if I land our house,
Oh yeah? Grand and true.
I'm not sure if I land our house now.
Oh. People rain daily at juice, so I make the wife go around a little bit, you know? Yeah, look like rain I get worse down, so I see them people here. Yeah, look like rain. Yeah, the rain, look like it going down there, so.
I see how they check on that.
Yeah. What? Man, I'm not seeing them, man.
Man, one girl spreadsheet before we end.
You see me? Reaching back in a town. Alright, people, so little rain there down the side, yeah. Yeah? But in that boy, me I look so. Oh, they over there, so. Over there, so there. Yeah, over so there. Cloud are going to blow up soon, man. The cloud are there full up. Now lingering rain this. People are winding up the glass a little bit, you know, because I blow it in a little, you know. Crack the AC a little bit too. Hopefully it's not too much noise. Not make too much noise, you know? So we drive to the place named Luna or Ola. Santa, we can pass one place first. After we pass with Jamaica Zoo there. And then done reach Santa Cruz or reach Santa Cruz before Jamaica Zoo place. Jamaica Zoo there like over there too.
Supposed to pass Jamaica Zoo before. Supposed to pass Jamaica Zoo.
Like over
Maybe I go check now.
yes.
Supposed to pass.
I know, but people, we figure it out and see what I go on to see. Yeah, the Korean they are fall down and so. And a while ago Mandeville did hot. Not to mention Kingston. Oh my word. You know over there burn up right now, me nah ask. I recall the town of Santa Cruz now, you know, people. Yeah. I know one big place, you know, one little small place. One little small area. And then I say, yeah, one KFC there. Yeah, we got a KFC there. What? We're gonna drop that some man. If we even get the rain for 1 hour a day, that would have good. Go inside dry, you know, man. Just, you know, man. Check it, please. I really long range. So I can look for the place in front of each other. Soon stop. I should drive out now. And if I don't chop it this, you know, like how when we are going to go all our buy a buckle. Good? Oh, yeah, it's them big. And them take a sheep. You know a sheep look? Oh. People may have asked if you know a sheep look in a car. You know about them something in the country.
I don't have the country, but we know a sheep.
In the country? Oh, okay.
That's where I saw the fresh. And I said, wow, look for that boat, look for that ear.
Where am I pick?
Like, I'm not.
Oh. In a rain here, brother? Now watch them man, they are committing suicide. And that, yeah, because them a look up, come and say, what the whole of them a look up over there so far?
No food train or this, sir.
Exactly, so that's why I wonder what the whole of them a look up for. I say, wait, what kind of look up thing I go on this one? Check the traffic there, boy. So I say 23 more minutes, people. That GPS I say, you know. But the rain now to affect the quality of the video, you know, people. Really hope so everything good see me, you know.
In 4.6 kilometers, turn right on Sydney Pagan Drive.
No, it shouldn't take us 23 minutes. Maybe there's somewhere else we think they put in from GPS plug in somewhere else. Especially if you see all the traffic there. The phone most probably close. The last part I read is hey man, God, them people aren't even have on them Wi-Fi. Last part I read. So if them are come from the party now, you say it is, right? Wind down back the window them people, because yeah, the rain down there now. Lovely Point. So your son name, you know? Lovely Point. Welcome to Lovely Point. It have a nice name, it have a lovely name. Pun intended. Yeah, people, so they are take your time and go and make away, you know? Yeah, man, I see what go on. Right now, we need to camp, which are camp out down in the west side, you see. You can go check out a Little London and them place there. Yeah, I love to hear about them little place there, you know, Little London. And them place are bad. How do you ever hear about it? You about crime and Little London? You bad people, yes? Little London people. Don't they bad? If you don't they bad, you don't even have to be foolishness, man. I'm going to get to come visit down there. I know, so we are Little London. Alright, rain clear up here now, yeah. what did that cause the traffic?
In 300 meters, turn right on Sydney Pagan Drive.
Oh. Alright people, so see that we say welcome to Santa Cruz. That school, that blue and yellow building is supposed to be states. No, St. Elizabeth technical that's supposed to be. If my memory serves me correct.
Turn right on Sydney Pagan Drive.
Right, so this will carry through the town of Santa Cruz. That's all. This is like the bypass. Because normally I never turn off. The street I normally go though. Eh? The street I normally go.
In 1.6 kilometers, turn left on New River Road.
New River Road, alright. Then in Santa, but I think round this street I normally go and carry me through the main of the town still. But I could go around there so. I've never been around there so before. So I could take it that way here, people. Yeah man, shout out to the whole of the Senti people, them as I say, you know, you don't know, you know, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah. No, you know, so this now carry through the town of Santa. I could go down on the road there. See if we can come out in the town around us. Go down on the road and see. This now carry through the town of Santa. So I carry somewhere different. I want to go through the town.
In 100 meters, turn right on A2 Santa Cruz Main Street.
Ah, yeah. Yeah, man. Should I go back in next week? I'm going to miss out on a portion. We want to see town in a full effect, people. We go turn. Watch out, them as the name Dimitri's. Jellica spot there. You need to come check it out on the seafood daily. Yeah, man, Dimitri, big up yourself, you know. Take a plug, you know. Yeah. Nah, not bad. Kind of secluded, you see? Can come well to drink and read. Yeah, I think I'll go back up as some people because I want to go back for the main. My GPS have been somewhere different tonight, so that's why. Somewhere different it have. We try to go stills, but I want to go through the town of Santa. You know, because the last time I drive.
Turn left.
Yeah, through the town. We not turn left yet. Where we are go? Right, where I go? Go back where I come from and go back on the main road.
Turn left on Sydney Pagan Drive. Turn left on Sydney Pagan Drive. In 300 meters, turn right on A2 Santa Cruz Main Street.
Right. Here, that's where we're going, bro. Where we want to go. Santa Cruz Main Street, Main Road. We pass the KFC and all those places. Yeah. But I like that little spot there when I just see around this side. You know, it look alright, you know. Nice little chill spot probably for one, you know, come can beat two juice and say seafood daily, you know. So we can seafood.
Turn left, then turn left on Sydney Pagan Drive.
Yeah man, to St. Elizabeth States.
Turn left on A2 Santa Cruz
Yeah
Main
man,
Street.
St. Elizabeth Technical High School. Yeah. People do apologize if the clear from the sun and affect the quality of the camera, of the video, you know, you see it? Yes, taxi man, do your thing. All of you are germs, no matter which part of Jamaica you there. Big germs. White line, the solid white line mean no overtaking. Only the broken one them alone. See my germs, friend. So but go on their thing.
Turn right on Dr. Rock Road.
I guess on the road that we go come down for a while ago. Yeah man, on the road that we probably come down for a while ago. I want to go through the town, my people, to see what I go on your sites. And as you know, and as I say in every video, every town center, you always have little traffic, little congestion. I run, my friend. No, I have to bite my liquor down.
In 200 meters, turn left on Sydney Pagan Drive.
Yeah, man, a whole heap of traffic. Man, a slim thing, you know?
Yes, I'm you on the backside.
Oh, not to them in general.
Alright, fine.
Yeah. KFC up on left hand side. Should I good to know the price of the donut then? And every KFC them don't so slow like the one them at town. And Portmore. What's up, beautiful people? So here is truly in 876 by Bert, as I just heard in the intro, and today we're in a little town we call Santa Cruz. It's located in St. Elizabeth. Yeah, that's how we're there right now. And we're just going to give you a quick tour of the town. Because we know them little country town here, them not really, you know? Yeah, them not really rare, you know, them just, what I call it now? Them small. So we're just going on a quick tour. Alright, yeah, a quick little tour. Hold on, let me go up here, sir. Go up here, sir. Alright, taxi man, you put your phone and now give me a blind. This is why we're not too worried, you know. Hush them, my boss. Ah. Alright. Go on a quick tour of the town, my people. I'm gonna see what I go on in the town here. Basically, rush hour time soon. So, yeah. rush hour time, so just I go so boom bang. And shown in I town. The place kinda overcast, but no rain now fall, you see me? Yeah, but little it kinda overcast. And people, remember me a town man, I don't know the place like that, you know, so that exploration here, that little adventure here, basically I all away, me involved, you see it? So this look like market area. You can get your fruits and vegetables, your ground provisions. You see me? Yeah. That I go on that section here, watch a pumpkin up on the stall here. Pumpkin color look rich.
Turn right on 8 New Santa Cruz Main Street.
Yeah man people, I have up my GPS too, you know, cause I don't know anything going on. See me? Yeah. But as I say, I rush hour right now and, you know, whole heap of little traffic and kids them out from school and all it is, you see me? There I go and sip on some sorrel juice, you know? Yeah. Young people, as me I show you, like you look up ahead, you can see it cloudy, dark cloud. But the rain now falls still. It's just hot. See them say at Santa Cruz, them say the hottest town in Jamaica, hottest place.
100 meters. Turn
Yeah, I
left
wonder.
on Sydney Pagan Drive. Turn left on Sydney Pagan Drive. In 300 meters. Turn left on Sydney Pagan Drive. In 200 meters. Turn left on Institution Drive.
What? I open up so.
Turn left on Institution Drive.
Oh, now I go left in people. We go right, as I say, we go right. We go down the road, we go right.